I hate you. You're so stupid.
Megan, control yourself.
Kasalanan niya po to. Ang baba ng ranking namin dahil sa kanya. She should be eliminated. And I'm sure this is part of your scheme. Para hilahin ako pababa.
Scheme? Ako pa talaga? Hindi ba ikaw yung expert doon, Megan? Kung meron man nananabutahe dito, ikaw yun.
Huwag mong ibalik sa akin, Jenny.
Hindi ako yung nagbabalik, Megan. Karma. Karma ang bumabalik sa'yo.
Tumigil na kayong dalawa. That's enough! The scores had nothing to do with how well you performed. Tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo noon na lagi nyo namang nakakalimutan, we are forming a P-pop group here, not a solo act. A team. Nagbibigayan, nagsusuportahan, nagtutulungan. Yon ang pinakita ni na Yuna at Nancy kaya mataas ang scores nila. They have the right character we want for all our singers. Di tulad nyo, Jenny at Megan. This is not about your singing. It's to test how well you work together. Sapawan kayo ng sapawan. You didn't have the right attitude. Kaya kung meron kayong sisisihin, it's the both of you.